everyone, and welcome back to R&M LAB GH. Today, we have a quick repair and a full maintenance service on an HP laptop. Our plan is to replace the battery, apply new thermal paste to the processor, and perform a deep internal cleaning. Whenever I open a laptop, I always perform a complete checkup. This is the professional way to do it, a step that many people unfortunately overlook. Internal cleaning is vital, especially when it comes to the cooling system, which is the most critical part of any machine. This is where dust and debris build up, clogging the heatsink and the fan. That is exactly how damage starts. Without proper cooling, the CPU, the heart of the system, overheats, which can eventually lead to permanent failure. Regular internal maintenance is the secret to ensuring long-term reliability and peak performance. That is why replacing the thermal paste between the processor and the heatsink is so important. It allows for optimal heat transfer. These are small steps, but they make a huge difference in giving a laptop a second life. I'm not here to tell anyone what to do, but this is my work method, and it's how I guarantee the best results. Sit back, relax, and let's get to work. We have reached the end of the job. This laptop was actually in pretty good shape. It wasn't too dirty, but we performed a full checkup anyway. After a deep cleaning, we replaced the battery and the thermal paste. Even though the original paste was still in decent condition, I decided to replace it since the unit was already open. It's a quick task with minimal cost, but it's essential for a perfect professional result. The main issue was the battery, which was swollen and had to be replaced for safety reasons. Everything else is fully functional. Now I'm going to clean the exterior. This step is very important. Returning a laptop or any other project looking spotless shows professionalism and builds trust with a client or a friend. It's all about the details. That is how I work. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and leave a like. See you in the next video. Bye.